Freecash rewards are driven by offer volume, task completion speed, and your account activity level, which means the fastest way to earn more coins is not one trick, but stacking the highest frequency earning methods consistently. By the end, you'll know exactly how to increase your Freecash coins quickly using the parts of the platform that actually scale your earnings instead of slowing you down. Start with how Freecash assigns coins. The platform pays users for completing tasks from advertisers, and each task has a different payout, depending on difficulty and demand. High-paying offers exist, but they take longer and are not always available. Faster coin growth comes from repeating smaller, consistent actions that keep your account active and visible to the system. The first method is focusing on high availability offers instead of waiting for rare high payouts. These include app installs, short registrations, and quick engagement tasks. The key detail is speed. Completing these quickly and accurately lets you cycle through more offers in less time, which increases total coins earned per session. Next is using daily bonuses and streak-based rewards when available. Freecash often rewards consistent logins and continuous activity. That matters because the platform prioritizes active users when assigning limited-time offers. If you only log in occasionally, you miss out on higher frequency task access. Another important factor is profile completion. Freecash uses your profile data to match you with relevant offers. A complete profile increases the number of tasks you qualify for, which directly affects how fast your coin balance grows. Missing details reduces matching accuracy and lowers your available offer pool. You also want to check multiple offer walls inside Freecash instead of relying on just one section. Different partners inside the platform show different tasks, and switching between them exposes you to more earning opportunities in the same amount of time. Timing also matters. New offers tend to appear in waves, and users who check the platform at different times of the day often see more variety than users who only open it once. This increases your chances of catching limited-time tasks before they disappear or fill up. The system is built around activity volume. The more completed tasks you log, the more the platform understands your behavior and continues feeding you similar opportunities. That creates a cycle where consistent users see more frequent earning options. Quick recap. Fast coin growth comes from completing quick offers, staying active daily, and using multiple offer walls instead of sticking to one section. Next step is simple. Open Freecash, complete your profile fully, and start with the shortest available offers so you can build momentum and increase your task flow over the next few sessions. Like and subscribe for more clear guides on earning apps without confusion.